can consider. But like if you will become all a little bit in this platform, in any platform, in which like we have started recently, quickly we will start knowing about that gradually. You can consider. So I think you are using first time. You are talking with me first time on this application. I think maybe you haven't talked with anyone.
No, never. This is my first time and I am very happy that I have seen you on YouTube many times and I want to talk after a long time but I had no idea that how I will connect to you and I have a many time comment on your video that how I can talk with you.
Oh, like that, great. Actually, I had got, I think on 11 June, you sent me message. Maybe when I was checking WhatsApp, there I got your messages that you told, you said I want to talk with you like that. Then I saw and then I replied you and then you saw and then I asked you like that, do you run teams like that? And then you told me that yes, I run. And like that you send me like message, like link, to join like that. And then I joined you like that. But I think, I haven't accepted you. Like that problem I think was. So when I checked again teams, there I got there I haven't accepted her, like what is like invitation you can consider, then I accepted you can consider, then we are talking now. And I think you added me on your group too.
Yeah, actually I'm very happy, really very happy after talking with you because first time I'm talking with you and many days it is my you can say dream also that I want to talk to you because in very less age you are doing well according to me. No one can do like you are in young age. Your age is very young and you are doing great. So that's why.
Yes. Because I think very less people are doing like this work, and maybe there is no one you can consider. And like those who works like a great thing, like those who does like great thing, at young age, and people say about them like he is like his age is this, like under 16, 17, 18, 19, like that. The less age you can consider, and when someone will do something great work, in his life at young age, people will appreciate like more and more you can consider and support too.
In your age I don't know what is the tense in your age and you are doing very well according to me. Really, I see to your work and in your age many students they are watching reels and they are playing games. This is bad habit and you are doing very great work.
Yes.
I'm appreciative.
Really you are saying right, because in my area you will get lots of people keep playing PUBG, Yes, PUBG, Free Fire game. What types of game like like which like damages their eyes? You can consider like that kinds of games. Children, the children keep playing. You can consider. I saw in my area, 80% of children are doing the same. You can consider like PUBG, Free Fire, and due to which I think before 1 year around, you can consider one boy who studies in our school passed away. And if you ask me, what's the problem? What caused him to pass away? If you ask me, actually he was on the roof, and he was playing PUBG. Yes, and actually he was not looking down. You can consider suddenly because while I think you have seen already people like and boys and girls like those who play like PUBG, they keep paying attention only on mobile all the time, right? They don't look anywhere, little bit also. So he was looking mobile and he was not looking down. He fell down over the stone and he passed away like that problem. So due to which I can say about PUBG is bad game. You can consider. You can play, but not too much. You shouldn't be addicted to that, right? If you will be addicted to that, I think you will get nothing. You can consider like that. It happens. That's why like we have to we don't have to play this. At least for students, if I will say we shouldn't play this. And I think games are only for entertainment. For less time you can play that, but not for too much time, right? Like that.
But many people they want to play games at this time. They don't want to learn anything new. And you will see that many students they have a cell phone and they are making excuses that I have a cell phone but I am addicted to game. They never tell their mistake, but they want to.
Really?
PUBG, Free Fire. Actually, I have seen many students in my school and in my neighbors' children. I have many students in that they are doing can do.
Yes.
I only suggest them this is very precious time in your age. So try to use your time for right things.
Really, and we have to give suggestion too, because many people, some people, like they don't understand, and I also give many suggestions to the people. Don't play this. Also, my brother, I have a small brother. You can consider. So he is addicted to game. You can consider now currently. Yes. So always I keep saying him, don't play. Sometime he will steal my mobile. You can consider, and during sleeping you can consider. Like he will pick up my mobile and he will start playing. Like at night time you can consider at 12 p.m. At night you can consider. Yes.
12 p.m.
At night.
Oh, it is.
At which time, like I will be sleeping, that time he will get up and he will start using my mobile, and he will not watch anything. And I will think that he will be watching cartoons like that. But when I will check him, when I will see him, he will be playing PUBG like that. Only on PUBG. Like number 2 Patlu also not. You can consider cartoon also not. Only PUBG. Like that.
Oh my God. Very bad thing, I think.
Actually, he plays with such boys, maybe those who keep playing this kinds of game, you can consider, that's why. And it happens, what types of people will play with you, you will also become like that. But, also, there is also one thing, like if you will play with such person, if you are playing, who plays PUBG, so you have to pay attention, like you have to take care of yourself too, right? Like we have to think, like if suppose my friend is playing PUBG, so I will not play, let him play like that. I will not play like that. But I think mostly people, what happens, when they start playing with such people who plays Free Fire, suddenly they also start playing that. We shouldn't copy our friend if they are doing bad types of work, right? But we have to play at least, but we don't have to follow them. If they are doing good work, that we have to follow. Yes.
Yeah. Right. Actually, many people they are thinking that he is my best friend and even if he is doing bad work, but most of friends they are following to them. Actually, I should not follow to their work because we know our what is our work. We should know first what we are doing. This is wrong, and we have already mind that how we will do.
Really, yes. We have to think about, like doing something like whatever we are going to do. Before doing, we have to think, right? Is it good? Is it not good like that? Really.
I think it is running time. There, I'm seeing.
Yes, it is drizzling raining, you can consider. Yes, in my area. Small, yes. Drizzling types of rain.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you are doing very hard work, and in future, most of students they will consider you like idol.
Yes.
They will consider because you are very young and you are doing best, and you are doing very, very great.
Really,
And you are,
Yes.
yeah, you inspire to many people. This is the good thing.
Yes. So can you tell me how long have you been watching my videos on YouTube? I think you sent me message on 11 June. Or since when have you been watching my video? Please tell me the time. When did you start watching my video and knowing me?
In 2024. I am watching from 2024 and now I'm connected with you and today I'm talking with you and this is very pleasure for me and actually I want to talk after long time but you don't you didn't see my message and other things so I thought that how I will connect to him and now I am connected.
It means since you started watching my video, you were thinking that I will connect with Jadu once, right? And finally today you completed your dream to connect with me, and now you are on video call with me, right?
Definitely, it is my dream. You can say also I want to talk with you, and yesterday I wanna talk to you, but yesterday I had many work. So because of work I don't talk, and when I called to you. I think you are connected with others, so I thought that I should talk tomorrow.
Yes.
And to come.
Really, because it is rainy season, in my area, and it is quite good background you can consider. Lots of people are working in the field there, you can see.
Actually, I like nature and I like plant. This is my passion. I have planted many things. I will show you again. if we will connect another time, definitely I will
From
see
yes.
you.
And actually, I also love the nature. That's why I'm showing you this whole thing. And if you will watch my 90% videos was uploaded on YouTube only in this kinds of background while walking, while showing trees. I made that video because I think that I need to show the trees to the people so that they can see the nature, in my area, and they will love the nature. You can consider. And some people said me, and those who connected with me from foreign country, they said me, Jadu, like we are loving this whole thing because these kinds of background are not in our area, and we want to see this whole area closely. Whenever we will go to Jharkhand, please take us there and please show us like that.
Foreigners like this type of place actually. At this time, most of people they are cutting the trees and another thing, and only villager can keeping the tree and they are planting tree. And most of the people they want to cut, but only villager can keep on their field. On their field.
Really, yes.
They know. And this is the good thing in our village. Actually, I am also live in village, and I like to do planting and many things I like. Actually, I love nature, and at this time, farming work is running like a paddy related work. So I am doing also work.
So have you ever planted paddy in the field area or not?
I have planted many times from my childhood, and I never feel that is a bad work, and I feel pleasure when I do farming work. I feel much better.
Yes, really, those who come from village area, they feel great, and I think some people also in my area, like from the city, they came, when they were planting paddy first time, some foreign people had come to my area, and they were said to plant paddy, but they were not knowing how to plant, you can consider, and they were given something like what are getting here in our area, in village area, that they were given. So they were not eating that. They were thinking about that is very different, What is like we make roti by adding, meat, you can consider. So that roti they were given, foreign people. So they were not liking that, They were thinking about that roti that, that is very different, It happens, Those who have experience, they will like, right? In the, starting also. But those who don't have experience about that work, they will not do. But how will, if they will become old, then they will start doing that. Yes.
I can show to you my guava plant. This is very well. You can see here. Is it? There are
Yes.
many guavas and very nice. There are many plants. And at this time we have a many work like related to farming. So that's why I'm not getting time. But actually I want to talk with you. And I said to my sister that I want to talk with him. My sister has said definitely I said God your dream will complete soon. I said okay, definitely I will talk with him. And only I messaged you only. I think I have seen many YouTubers like the English with the Hati ma'am and Rimjim classes, many YouTubers, but I want to talk with you because your age and you are doing hard work. This is inspire me.
Yes, really, because there are lots of YouTubers. You told Rimchim and the other madam, these all YouTubers, I've been watching for a long time, and I also got motivation by watching these all videos. Actually, that time when I had, 100 subscribers, that time, I used to watch Rimchim classes, these all channels I used to watch. But I was not thinking that I can complete this much subscribers in short time. But I could complete, because one my video got viral on YouTube, which I made near to the ground of football, So suddenly, I started getting 2,000 views. Since then, people supporting me, and my videos are start like getting viral. You can consider that time. Used to get viral. That time I think more than 1 lakh views. I used to get in 1 week. You can consider. Nowadays also I'm getting. You can consider. Yes.
Very soon viral. This is the very good luck for you.
Yes.
I think. And
Really.
it is you are doing hard work. That's why you are achieve fluency very soon, and you are achieve many things on YouTube because many people know to you. This is the good thing. Actually, I am very I am very talkative person, and I want to share that thing I know, and you are doing well.
Yes. Really. Yes. 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 It's what?
on YouTube, I thought he is doing very hard work, and I said to my parents, see, this is Jadu, and he is very nice guy, and he is trying to give his best, and he is studying, and he is teaching. Many roles you are playing.
Yes,
Really?
Many types of work I'm having to do. I'm a student, I'm teaching. Lots of work you can consider. That's why mostly I keep getting busy all the time. Sometimes I get busy. Mostly after 3 p.m. in the daytime, I get free time to talk with people, and that time I'm talking. But today, due to exam nowadays, that's why I'm able to get time. Otherwise, I wouldn't get. In schooling time, you can consider. Now my exam is, like exam is going on, and I get holiday at 9 p.m. 1 hour exam you can consider. At 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. you can consider in the morning only. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I joined a new school for teaching. So I went there, and when I saw your message, I got much happy. And then I said to my principal, sir, I want to go to my home for urgent work. I didn't say that I want to talk with you. I said to my principal said, okay, mention not. But which type of work do you have? I said nothing, sir. I have some work. Please let me go. Sir said, okay, go. Mention not.
It means only for talking with me, like you said, please give me time, right?
Yeah, because I know you are, after you message me, and I know you get time. And when I will free, and you will not get time. This is the right time. I said, okay, today I will talk with him, definitely.
Yes.
And my dream has complete.
Definitely. And I think, how many subscribers do you have? I think I watch your thumbnail only. I think maybe it means you have channel. But I don't know the numbers of subscribers. Do you have channel, and how many subscribers?
Actually, 44. Actually, I started my YouTube channel from April 2025.
Oh. You will complete,
Yeah,
you
that's
should
what-
keep working. Yes, definitely you will complete. You should keep working and uploading video daily, English conversation video and talking. Yes, like that. So, I think you have, yes. So, have you ever talked with any person on video call in English language like this or not? Or you are talking first time?
No, first time I am talking with you. Actually, I want to try. Actually, first I decided I will talk with Jadu. Because it is my dream also, and you inspired me. And then I decided that I will talk with another people, because this is my first video calling with you.
Oh.
And I am feeling much better.
Okay. So, if you want to talk, I will add you on group. Yes, you can talk with many people. Besides me, you can talk and you can upload their video on your channel. You can start uploading. Conversation, communicating, you can communicate with people. Yes.
Yeah, definitely I will do. And at this time I have started my teaching. So I thought that I will start my YouTube also, conversation video, because conversation we will not feel like bored, and we feel much motivated to talk with others, and they share their journey and we share our journey. So we don't feel bored. So this is the good thing in conversation video.
Really you are saying, because, like nowadays what happens, by communicating, I think different kind of communication. Some people, like, they have communication skills, like when they go different places, and there they meet people and they are talking like that. But now it is like that time you can consider, due to this application, many people are able to communicate with people on video call. From far you can consider, like also from abroad country, America, USA, Bangladesh, from all country around in this application you can communicate. And it is totally free, you can consider, like you don't have to pay money. But other application you need to pay money there, you can consider. Very less people take money, otherwise no one in this application. But other application you will have to pay money then, like that.
Villagers, they don't know this is golden chance for us, that we are doing everything in free of cost. So they don't want to get profit actually, and we are doing well. And I want to grow in my future. Definitely, I will do hard work, and I will talk with you again.
Yeah.
With lot of subscribers.
Definitely.
And now I am.
Yes.
And I'm very happy, really. First time I'm talking with you, and I thought that how I will talk with him, because I never talk with anyone in video call. I have used many applications But there is application where I used to only for speaking, like I call to them and they talk with me, but not a video call. Only audio call.
Oh, great. All the same. Because, like those who don't have experience on video call, I think they get only one problem, like they get shy, like that problem, right? And I saw many people, but you are talking fluently in front of me also, and you told me that you are talking fast time all the same. I can see fluency. You can consider. But many people, those who are starting recently, past time they are talking, they talk, that time they get shy, and they don't feel like talking, like they are don't able to, like what we say, they are not able to speak anything, you can consider. Suddenly, what happens, their mind is start going blank, like they don't get word also to use. Yes.
Yeah. Right. Actually, when we see a happy face, we feel motivated. We feel talk with them. And when we feel their mind and with their face, we feel if their face is not happy, we feel he is not able to speak. Why he is not speaking? We think many things while speaking, and we like to speak with them. Yeah, you are right.
I think you are saying right here, because I watch many interviews video, and a conversation video also. And what types of conversation, I watch in which, two person, I think, last we are talking like that, two person are talking, right? They talk, and then they make conversation. So I watch many video, like in that video, two person are available. But one, like other is also not laughing. And, like another person is also not laughing. Thank you so much for talking with me. I wanted to talk with you for a long time.